Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install my new LED taillights on my 2012 Honda Civic. Now it should be a fairly simple install, so let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is remove 3 clips. There's one right here, and one right here, using a flathead screwdriver. Once you guys remove the 3 clips, make sure to put them in a safe spot so you guys won't lose them because we're going to need them later. Next, you guys are going to want to remove this liner right here. And this should give us access to the tail light. Okay guys, now in order to remove the tail light, we're going to remove 4 8mm bolts. There's going to be one right here, one up here, one down here, and one up here. Once we have removed the 4 screws, now we're ready to take off the tail light. Once the wires are unplugged, this is what it should look like. Now you guys are able to remove old tail light. Garbage, not garbage. You guys see the difference? Because I do. So these taillights are basically plug and play, so there's no modification required. So basically we're gonna do the same process we just did right now to remove them, but backwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on and I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, I just finished putting on the first tail light right here, and before I do the other one, I wanted to show you guys the comparison. So this is off and this is on. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you hit the brakes. Alright guys, so I just finished installing both of the taillights on my car. I really liked how it turned out. The output of the LED lights is actually really bright. I didn't think they were gonna be this bright, but it looks pretty good. If you want a pair of these headlights, you guys can go check them out online. I was actually skeptical about buying them or not, and I was actually trying to find videos on YouTube on them, but I couldn't find any, so that's why I decided to make this video. So if you guys are thinking about buying these tail lights, I definitely do recommend them. I promise you guys, you won't regret it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos about my car in the future. Thanks for watching.